to get license and plates on the car I'm driving that I just now purchased.
Why did they pull you over? Did you not have proper plates on the car then?
This courtroom opens with a confusing yet intense traffic case involving a suspended license, unpaid fines, and multiple missed court dates. As the judge digs deeper, contradictions begin to surface, revealing a messy legal history. Stick around for shocking twists, accountability moments. Subscribe, like, share for more courtroom breakdowns now.
Thank you all for posting that hello. We're able to.
The handle on my live stream commemorative coffee mug has a crack in it, and it's about to do a Knopfsinger.
Which is a what?
Where it just falls apart in your hand. Do you recall that? Yeah.
Well, I think I may have a spare. I know John Bush was using his every day. Others were as well. Go ahead, Mr. Higgins, and have a seat. Thank you. I'm sorry for the delay, but we have here with us by special guest appearance, Mr. Ross Truckee from the Public Defender's Office. And you're Stephen Daniel Higgins?
That is correct, Senior.
Yes, of course I know you, but I needed to identify you for the record.
Right.
Your son got arrested the other day, and I thought it was you, and I thought we were going to deal with these old matters, but it was him on, I think, on a non-support case or something.
That is correct.
All right, let's talk about your case. This is file 251670ST. You got stopped in August. You got charged with driving suspended as a second offense. That's a misdemeanor. It's punishable by up to a year in jail and a fine of up to $1,000. You also got charged with no insurance under the insurance code, which is a misdemeanor, punishable by up to a year in jail, fine of up to $500 and not less than $200. The third count is improper display of a registration plate. You pled not guilty, and we set it for a pretrial. Then you never showed up for the pretrial. Then we had a show cause. You didn't show up for that.
I never got notice of that. I'm sorry.
Well, the pretrial you did. They gave you a notice right in the courtroom. Let's see when the show cause was.
Okay, well, I went in front of Judge Addison. I'm sorry.
Yes.
And I talked to the lady in the conference room, and she said to show my license to her, and I did, and to show proof of insurance. I told her I had to bring that back to the court. And when I did, she was not present, and I showed the information to the prosecuting attorney's office, and I thought that was good, and apparently that wasn't good. So I did what the lady told me, but I guess I didn't do what I don't know what went wrong there. But I did provide the court with the information they requested. And I still do have my driver's license. I didn't know it was suspended.
All right, so you have your license back and you have insurance?
That is correct.
Well, you got $805 with unpaid fines and costs. You had usually in the old days, they used to suspend your license for that. They wouldn't give you your license if you had a bunch of unpaid tickets. But apparently you got it back. Now the you were charged with no insurance, and they dismissed it and let you plead to impeding traffic. And then you paid them back by not paying that ticket in 2024. Then you got another no insurance, and then they let you plead to no proof of insurance, and you didn't pay that. Then you got a driving suspended, and they reduced it to allowing another to violate the motor vehicle code, and you didn't pay that. So that's not good. In the old days, they wouldn't have let you had your license. But so apparently you have a valid license and have insurance now.
That is correct, sir. And yesterday I did start paying on that fine at the Secretary of State's office when the Sturgis police officers got me and then brought me here.
In general.
So how did you get stopped yesterday?
I was driving to the Secretary of State's office to continue paying on the fines, and I was pulled over absolutely in the parking lot of the Secretary of State's office as I was going back in there to get license and plates on the car I'm driving that I just now purchased.
Why did they pull you over? Did you not have proper plates on the car then?
I had 0 plates on the car, but I had a plate in the car that I was going to have transferred. I just had bought it from in town Sturgis. I mean, right then, I didn't even make it to the Secretary of State's office. And I didn't know at that time that I had a warrant for my arrest, or I would not even have drove.
Did you get some new tickets?
Nope, he did not. He was nice enough not to charge me. He's seen that I was in bad shape as it was.
In general.
He let me legally park it, and he brought me here.
Where do you live?
I live at 6690 West 490 North, Orland, Indiana, at Walden Woods Campground, at a property-owned campground year-round.
By the mid-hearing, the defendant's story shifts between confusion and compliance as the judge questions missed notices, unpaid fines, and prior warnings. The legal issue centers on failure to appear and suspended driving status, which can escalate penalties quickly. It shows how small administrative gaps create major courtroom consequences today.
I made an example about one specific person.
And the mailing address I had on court file was 11210 Riverside Drive.
Yeah, we still have that. Is that a mailing address?
It should have been good, but apparently I didn't get the notices that were sent there. I don't understand.
Who lives there?
It's my best friend Dick Wellington. I have no family left for a forwarding address, so that's where I have my the address that I've been using for mail.
Yeah, your brother passed a number of years ago, and your dad passed, I think, last year.
And my mom 3 days after.
Yes. All right, I'm gonna let you out of jail. I'm gonna set a pretrial.
You're gonna let me out, sir?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Thank you.
I'm gonna set a pretrial for next week, March.
And I think that's what you have to state the.
19.
Shoot. I go to get my dentures replaced on the 19th.
But on the 17th.
Sorry. Okay, thank you.
At 8:30 at the courthouse.
All right. Now, am I able to go get this car legal still now, or
yes, that would help. Bring in proof that the car is legal. That gives you only 1 day. Excuse me, just a minute. My original thought is I was going to leave you in the slammer till we could get this taken care of. But I believe you that you came in here and showed something to somebody. I don't know who you were talking to, as the public defender or one of the assistant prosecutors. But I want you to bring proof of insurance and license.
Okay, I have that today, actually.
And proof of payment on fines.
Okay. I can make just a payment. I don't have enough money to pay it all off, so I can make payment.
All right, well, you don't have to pay it all off, but you've been blowing it off, and each one of these was a break. You got a deal, then you blew it off. You got a deal, blew it off. You got arrested last summer on that child support case, but I think that's all done, isn't it?
That's my son.
Oh, that's your son's?
Yes. My
Okay.
kids,
Well, I better take a look at this and make sure these fines are you, but I think they are. Let's look, 5. Yeah, that's you.
okay,
The non-support is not you.
not me.
All right, now, you're gonna be here next Tuesday morning, the 17th,
Yes, sir.
and you're gonna bring that documentation with you, and I don't see any reason why this matter can't be resolved.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
I'm gonna set bond at $250 PR each file. So your version is you came back in and tried to show the information to somebody at the prosecutor's office, and then nothing ever happened after that.
That is correct, sir. She told me to bring it back within 30 days, and I was actually before that. I did it like 2 days after she told me that. And when I got there, she was not there, and another lady said she would pass on the information, and I thought she did. I wasn't aware she didn't.
All right, well, we'll see if we can sort that out. That's also part of why I'm giving you a PR bond. All right, you got 3 PR bonds, 250 per file. On this
Well, I
day,
can't.
back then, you were driving with no registration, no insurance, and your license was suspended. I'll
So
run a
how
new
much-
driving record and see what your status is.
Okay, how much is it going to cost for me to get out today, sir?
Nothing. I gave you 3 PR bonds.
Okay. Thank you.
Do you have a way to get home?
I would probably call Uber or I'll call, I gotta get the car where it's legally parked in Sturgis, but I'm just gonna, go from there.
All right.
No, I have a
Good luck,
licensed
sir.
driver, get the car.
Well, I would have seen you this morning, but I had a bunch of stuff and I would have seen you earlier, but we got a little sideways here this afternoon. So
I
you're gonna
appreciate
get
it.
out 3 PR bonds. SOS might be closed before you can get back over there.
Okay.
All right. Anyway, next Tuesday morning, here at the courthouse, 8:30 a.m.
Yes,
You're
sir.
good to go, sir.
Okay, thank you.
All right, so there's more going on there. I'll sort it all out. Tuesday's a busy morning, but I don't want to miss adventures. All right, we will,
As the hearing concludes, the judge issues PR bonds and orders the defendant to return with proper documentation, highlighting repeated compliance issues and unresolved fines. Despite confusion, release is granted with conditions and a strict return date. Subscribe, like, and share for more courtroom breakdowns and real legal drama now.